Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Experience Tutor. Today we will discuss NCERT solution for class 11th Physics chapter 3 Motion in a Straight Line part 5. And here is our welcome message. Before we begin, we have a humble request. Please subscribe, like and share our channel with your friends and relatives. Please click on the subscribe button to support us and also click on the bell icon to get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Let us begin with the lesson. Today we'll start with the sum number 3.10. A player throws a ball upward with an initial speed of 29.4 meter per second. A. What is the direction of the acceleration according to the upward motion of the ball? B. What are the velocities and acceleration of the ball at the highest point of its motion? C. Choose x is equal to 0 meter and t is equal to 0 seconds. 2. The location and time of the ball at its highest point. Vertically upward direction to be the positive direction of x-axis and give the signs of position. Velocity and acceleration of the ball during its upward and downward motion. D. To what height does the ball rise and after how long does the ball returns to the player's hand? Take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square and neglect air resistance. So we can start with 3.10. The direction of the acceleration of acceleration during the upward motion of the ball is downward. Velocity is equal to 0. Acceleration is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. X is greater than 0 for both up and down motions. V is less than 0 for up and V is greater than 0 for down motion. down motion. A is greater than 0 throughout the motion. The motion. Now, irrespective of the direction of the motion of the ball, acceleration, which is actually acceleration due to gravity, always acts in the downward direction towards the center of the earth. So this phenomena explains this line. The direction of acceleration due to upward motion of the ball is downward. At maximum height, the second part, the velocity is 0 and acceleration is 9.8. At maximum height, velocity of the ball is 0. Acceleration due to gravity at a given place is constant and acts on the ball at all the points, including the highest point, with a constant value of 9.8 meter per second square. Now the next part, during upward motion, the sign of the position of is positive. So position is positive, is greater than 0, and sign of velocity is negative, and the sign of acceleration is positive. And sign of acceleration is positive. Now, during downward motion, the sign of position, velocity, and acceleration all are positive. So, this one, position, velocity, and acceleration all are positive. Next, initial velocity. Initial velocity is equal to of the ball is equal to u is equal to 29.4 meter per second. Final velocity v is equal to 0. At maximum height, the velocity of the ball becomes 0. Exertion due to gravity, A is equal to minus g, which is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. From third equation, of motion, height can be calculated as b square u square minus b square minus u square is equal to 2gs. Therefore, we can write S is equal to V square minus U square upon 2G, which is equal to 0 square minus 29.4 whole square upon 2 multiplied by minus 9.8, which gives 44.1 meter. From first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. Therefore, T is equal to V minus U upon A, which is equal to minus 29.4 upon minus 9.8 is equal to 3 seconds. So this is the time of ascents. This is time of ascent. Now time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Hence, the total time taken by the ball to return to the player's hand hands is equal to 3 plus 3, that is 6 seconds. Now let us see this next sum, that is 9.3.11. Read each of the statement below carefully and state with reasons and examples if it is true or false. A particle in one-dimensional motion A with zero speed at an instant may have zero acceleration, non-zero acceleration at that instant. So first let us see this one, then one by one we'll move. 3.11. So when an object thrown vertically up up in the air, its speed becomes zero at maximum height. However, it has acceleration equal to the acceleration due to gravity, that is g, that acts that acts in the downward direction. At that point, therefore, statement of A is true. Now, the second statement, statement B. Statement B is with zero speed may have non-zero velocity. So, speed is the magnitude of velocity when speed is zero, the magnitude of velocity alone along with the velocity is zero. Now, so we can write that B is false. Now, statement C. Statement C is with constant speed must have zero acceleration. For example, a car moving on a straight line or straight here highway with constant speed with the constant velocity will have constant velocity. Since acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity, acceleration of the car is 0. So acceleration of the car is 0. So we can write statement C as true. Statement D. So what is statement D? Statement D is the positive value of acceleration must be speeding up. So the statement is false in the situation when the acceleration is positive and velocity is negative. At the instance at the instance time taken as origin. Then for all the time before velocity becomes 0, there is slowing down of particle. Thus, such a case happens when particle is projected upward. This statement is true when both velocities and accelerations are positive at instant time taken at the origin. Thus, a case happen, thus a case happens when a particle is moving with positive acceleration or falling vertically downward from a height. So both the explanations are given here. So we can write statement D as false. False. And this is the end of today's topic. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel. Please click on the subscribe button to support us and also click on the bell icon to get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much for supporting us. Keep watching.